Hello everybody, just finished the second day of a 2-day workshop that we run in collaboration with two CII/PFS institutes. Been working last Friday and today with a group of absolutely fantastic R04 candidates that are just on the final stages of being ready to sit their R04 exam. So fingers crossed everybody, for the sittings in the next couple of weeks. Just really wanted to do a little bit of a summary following our last day today, and really just to highlight a few last little hints and tips. So remember, when you look at your questions, if the questions sound a bit too definitive, be a bit wary picking them. Think about how many times I've said in these last couple of days, generally or usually. So if a question answer has always or never, or if it just sounds a bit too definitive to you, just be a little bit wary picking it. Sometimes there isn't one really clear correct answer. So you might have to pick an answer that actually you're not particularly happy with, but all the other options you don't like much better. So sometimes you're going to have to pick an answer that you're not totally happy with. Sometimes you won't like any of the answers, and actually you've got to pick one that you really don't like, but you like the rest of them even less. Only go back to the questions that you flagged. So don't go back over all 50 questions if you can help it. We all have a natural tendency to be tweakers, and it's easy to talk yourself out of the right answer that you put first time around. I'm also a great believer in gut instinct. So don't do it. Just go back to the questions that you flagged. The ones that you read the question stem, you read the answers, you were happy with your answer, don't revisit it. And be really careful before you change any answer. As I say, I'm a great believer in gut instinct. So listen everybody, best of luck, keep in touch with BTS and myself, let us know how you get on, and go smash it. And just remember, pensions are fab.